No family gathering would be complete in my world without, air quotes, the cheese ball. I've been making this cheese ball for 20 years on and off. Others have tried, but I'm always told that mine is the best. Savory, creamy, and heaven on the cracker of your choice. It's perfect for anything from the big game to the holidays. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. This recipe is for a crowd, so you'll need 3 blocks of 1/3 less fat softened cream cheese. This is important to the taste. 2 to 3 packages of pressed beef, 1 bunch of scallions, and 1 pouch of Hidden Valley Ranch powder. Not the dip powder, but the salad dressing. Obviously, you can tweak it to your personal taste. First, cut off the root ends of the scallions and discard them or use them in stalks. And dice the whole bunch and set aside. Stack the pressed beef. I always start with 2 of them and then add more if needed. Cut into strips about 1/2 to 1 inch wide and then turn them and cut them crossways so that they're squares. To a large bowl, add the 3 blocks of low-fat cream cheese. Then add the Hidden Valley Ranch powder. I always start with about 3/4 of the pouch because you can always add, but you can't take it away. So you can see that I've got some left over. Mix the powder into the cream cheese, and when it's thoroughly combined, give it a little taste to see if it needs adjusted. Knowing my family's taste, I ended up adding the whole packet. Then add the chopped scallions and stir until combined. Time to add the cut pressed beef, again making sure that it's all really well combined. If you want to let the flavor develop, cover it and refrigerate it overnight. When you're ready to serve it, just transfer it to a platter or a large plate and smooth it out to make it look like you didn't just plop it on there. Surround the ball of goodness with your favorite crackers like butter rounds or wheat crisps. This is a hearty dip, so the sturdier the cracker, the better. The cheese ball is a crowd pleaser and makes a great dish for people to gather and gab at the beginning of a party or the big game. It's perfect for the holidays to cut the sweetness of cookie plates and pies. For me, there's nothing like my uncle taking his first bite and saying, "Now this is Christmas." Once you try it, you'll be digging in too. Use this as a base recipe and customize it to your family's tastes. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like and share the love with your family and friends.